Hi and welcome back, guys, to the AMCrypto channel. My name is Alex and today we have a jam-packed episode. I have actually to go quick over everything as fast as I can because I actually have to run to a meeting, but I did not want to do not a video today, so I am maybe rushing a little bit, but I definitely wanted to give you an update about the market and what's going on here. So and if you're new to the channel, please leave a like if you enjoy this content and also subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates, especially on days like today. So Russia wants to dispel the fears of a crypto ban. So they actually want now enter the game. Then also McDonald's is filing for a trademark for the metaverse. So also they finally understood they want a piece of the cake from the gains that we are making here, basically on a daily basis. And also Apple is now developing and enabling crypto payments first for merchants, and I can almost guarantee you that after merchants can use it, that also the retail market, like people like us, will be able to use it. So, and I also want to talk about the total market capitalization, what's happening there, because that is affecting the altcoins, and about Bitcoin. So, and now let's start off today again with Bitcoin for Russia. So not with TA. So Russia plans now to license exchanges and also to charge taxes on large transactions, and it has the support of the central bank, so which previously wanted to outlaw mining and trading. But I think there were some smart people in the background that said, hey, wait a second, there's so much money that we are missing out if we just outlaw it. So it is much better if we jump on the train, try to regulate it, try to tax it, and getting a piece of that juicy gains that we are missing out otherwise. So here you can see they have the Russian government has decided to regulate them, legitimize a $2 trillion asset, so which is the 11th largest economy in the world right now. So crypto is the 11th largest asset class right now. So and here you can see there's basically a video. So they have a population of 144 million. So it means nobody can actually hold one Bitcoin. If every person in Russia decides to own one Bitcoin, it's not possible. They can only hold 0.01 Bitcoin approximately, compared to the other countries and the other people in the world that are holding already Bitcoin. So there is not enough Bitcoins to go around for them in Russia. So there's obviously heavily bullish. I will also show you another chart why I believe that this is in the long term definitely bullish. So then McDonald's filed a trademark for the metaverse-based virtual restaurant. So I will not go through the article because it takes a little bit too long time right now. Like I said, I have actually to go. What they basically want to do is create in the metaverse virtual restaurants for McDonald's where you can then place an order, and that will be much faster executed and delivered to you than as you do it maybe today. It depends where you are in the world. So in Russia and in Europe there's Glovo. Here in Dubai there's Deliveroo, where you can just order directly from McDonald's and these companies will deliver it to you. So they open now themselves in the metaverse restaurants where you can order place an order directly at McDonald's and it will be delivered to you. That's the baseline. So then Apple, like I said, they also want to enable crypto payments. For sure there will be a fee that you have then to pay to Apple, that the merchants will be able to use crypto payments through the Apple App Store. So, and all of this we can see now a lot of mainstream adoption coming into the market. It's just the beginning of the year, so it will be absolutely insane in my opinion. And I know, guys, you waited now so long for this, so now I finally go into the Bitcoin chart. Enough with the news here. So you can see here that the Bitcoin price is kind of going sideways here on the 4-hourly chart, because we have this heavy resistance here above us from 44,000 all the way up to around $46,750. So, and what do I believe? So will we actually break through this resistance to the upside, or will we see here a correction to the downside? So what I believe is going to happen is the longer we go here sideways and the longer we try here to break higher and are not able to do so, especially as long as we're not breaking here above $44,700, The longer this sideways move is going on and the more often we try to break this resistance and actually fail, the more likely it becomes that this resistance will be, keep being resistance and will push us down to the next level of support, which would be back all the way down to $41,700 approximately. From there, we would get the new momentum going sideways and then most likely will push through this to the upside. So, but obviously if we break here $44,750, then I believe that we will definitely go here into higher levels and also break this whole resistance area. So also when we are having a look here on the EMA ribbon, so that is something that makes me a little bit bullish right now because we are clearly staying above the ribbon with the price action. That is exactly what we want to see. We got here now twice supported from the last two candles. So, and as long as these strings here widening themselves, the more likely it is that, and especially continue to trend here into an upwards direction, the more likely it is that we will also continue this uptrend. Yeah, because obviously we are right now in an uptrend. We have here a local higher highs and local higher lows. So, and that is obviously bullish in the immediate short term here on the 4-hourly chart. But I also want to show you something on the daily chart. So, and that is here on the VPVR. So here you can see on the VPVR, and that is why we are struggling to break here upwards. So let me put here in a line there, then I don't need the VPVR anymore. So here you can see the most volume traded area is here. So that goes from 46,560 to 48,000 approximately. So now when I take the VPR away, so and you can also see there's most likely then no resistance anymore stopping us to go all the way up here to the next longer bar, which would be here around $57,000, and then we basically are on the way to create a new all-time high if we break here above $62,000. So, but now let us go first to the lower targets that we should have a look at. So when I go back here, you can see why this level is so crucial to break for the Bitcoin price. So let me make this another color. Up. That's maybe not the best color. Let me make it blue and make a little bit more thick. So why is that level so crucial? So you can see here when we broke under this level, that this level became here resistance. So here it was also resistance, then we broke it here, it became support. So here we broke again resistance, support, resistance, then support, here support, here it broke again and became resistance. So now you see there is so much confluence in that area that Bitcoin will struggle to break above this level, in my opinion. And that is, in my opinion, also the reason why we got here slammed down halfway up to this target. But that is for me the next profit taking area that I'm looking out for the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. If we break above $44,600 approximately, then $47,000 should be the next logical target here on the daily chart. Also, when we are looking on the EMA ribbon, so we are still above the EMA ribbon. So that also is, in my opinion, heavily bullish right now, that we keep staying above this. So the yellow ribbon wants to, the yellow string wants to work its way slowly now into the ribbon so that the ribbon can actually flip, but that will obviously still take a couple of days before this is going to happen. I would say by next week, Monday, Tuesday, there we will see actually the flip. So, and then we are also officially on the daily chart back in an uptrend. So, and that is exactly what we want to see. And that is also the moment where even the last bear has to admit that we are back in a bull market and that they have to capitulate, and that we will go in the immediate short term to new all-time highs. So now let's have a look here on the total market capitalization for Bitcoin. So here I see something developing that's also highly bullish if we manage to break above this. So when I draw here a line like this, then you can clearly see that we have here a downward sloping resistance line here, almost at $2 trillion of the total market capitalization. So from this top here, we had lower highs. So the Bitcoin, the overall market capitalization was not able to break here above this. So and now we are actually on the verge of breaking above the $2 trillion level, so which would also cause a break of this downwards trend that we are experiencing here right now on the total market capitalization. So and that obviously will lead to a new huge run in the whole market and in most of all the altcoins. That is something that I'm absolutely watching right now, and that should be also a warning sign to you that this here might be, especially when we break now here on the daily chart. So if the daily candle closes above this level, that should be the last moment where you should try to buy as much as altcoins as you can. So obviously, I would say top 50 ones. In my opinion, that's just my opinion. You buy whatever you want. So, but I would buy top 50 ones to scoop up as much as I can when this daily candle is getting closed above this downwards trending line, because I can tell you afterwards we have a massive run to the altcoins and you want to be definitely on this train. So then let us have a really quick look on Ethereum. So also here, based on the VPVR, you can clearly see why the price is not moving higher right now, because the point of control is at $3,232 right now. So that's why the price gets here rejected, but is keeping above 3,170, and that was the crucial level that I was talking about. If you have taken a little bit of profit there, congratulations guys. Remember, we have the next targets just above us at 3,350 and 3,573 to take some profits here off the table if you entered the trade position that, as I recommended it, all the way back here at around $3,000. So also here, when I take now the VPVR away and we look at the EMA ribbons here, there you can also see, we see the same picture that what we see in Bitcoin. The Ethereum price is trying to stay above the ribbon, get supported here from the last string here right now, and the yellow string is working its way into the ribbon. That has obviously also an effect on the upcoming golden cross. So here you see the 50 moving average wants to slowly come up here and meet the 200, and once that is happening, we have our golden cross here once again, and then flipping here on the Ethereum chart also into a new bullish uptrend, and will continue the bull market also obviously for Ethereum. So also here I believe in around maximum 10 days, something like this, we will have our golden cross, and then definitely know in which direction the market is going. But for now, it definitely looks like that we're gonna see here a new bull trend for the overall market in the next coming 2 weeks, and and at maximum in the next 2 weeks we will have the confirmation. So then we can also have a really quick look at my trades right now. So you can see here my Phemex trade, $550,000 approximately, is right now almost $14,000 in profit, 13,750, 37% since I added more to my position. Then also on BYBIT, my BYBIT position is also $5,000 in a profit, 35% profit here on a $200,000 trade. So it's almost 700, a little bit more than $750,000 worth of a position that I'm holding here. If you also want to trade this, go to the pinned comment below. Under my video, there's a link to BYBIT and Phemex. Claim your bonus. Takes only 10-15 seconds for signing up, and deposit a little bit of money so that you can claim the bonus and then trade with the free bonus available. And also, if you want to join my Telegram channel, we were killing it again in the last couple of days. There's also a link under the pinned comment or in the description of the video. There you can join my paid channel and getting some amazing altcoin and Bitcoin signals with and without leverage. Guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please leave a like here. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I have to run right now, and I will definitely see you again tomorrow.